We cut this balloon open and what do we find? It's jelly! Wow, this is so exciting! Let me show you how to make one of these. To do this, we take one jar and put some gummy bears of a certain color in it. I chose green. Then we pour water into this jar and mix the ingredients well. And now we pour it into a ball and give it time to set. This is very important. Now watch this. This is fun to play with because it bounces off surfaces. What's inside? There's jelly inside. Wow! That's a lot of fun. Try making it yourself.